Alright, so today I'm going to do a video tour of this garage door is broken. So this one is permanently broken, as you can see. And there's a crack over here, so I knew that. So this is the old garage door, so yeah. Alright, so second one, in my old house, there's another broken garage door. This one is not working for some reason. This door cannot be opened because it's not working for some reason. So yeah. Alright, so the third one, the other garage door is broken. So this is called the, I don't know what the model. Let's go check. So yeah. Anyway, here's the cracks over here, and it broke. So this one is old. So you have to get a new one next time. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.